Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to be sharing with you why you need to be putting a face mask in your KLEENEX box. Doesn't that look cool inside and oddly satisfying? So I just open up the side of this particular KLEENEX box, and what you want to do is take one of your old face masks. We want to be economical here, more environmentally friendly. I just cut off the ear loops right here, so I have something just nice and plain. Looks like a really cool accordion. Looks like it should fit in there, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Now, if this is a used face mask, I highly recommend that you take some rubbing alcohol so that you can sanitize this. Let this dry fully. And can you guess what I'm going to be doing with this right here? This texture is amazing. You can buy rags at the Dollar Tree that feel much like this. It's soft, it's a little less abrasive than a dryer sheet, a lot less contamination than on your typical dryer sheet. What I like to do for my KLEENEX box, especially in the cold flu season where everything is congested, mind you, we have gone through like a million of these KLEENEX boxes with all the kids in my family here getting sick, is take a little essential oil. If you do not like essential oil, use at your own risk. You can use whatever you like, baby oil, pure vanilla extract, any sort of delicious smell that you find pleasing. And what you are going to do is you're going to tuck this down inside of your KLEENEX box, and it's very pliable, so you can just shove it right in there without impacting yours. The other thing that you can do, is I'm doing this one-handed, is you could go ahead and fold this in half, especially because the nose strip has that nice component on there. Look at that. That's kind of fun and interesting. Anyway, so we're going to turn this, and this will fit a little bit better if you want to make it really pretty inside. Oh, it smells so good already, like fresh lemons. Get that in there, and then you're going to go ahead and close up your tissue box, your KLEENEX box, like so. Use a little glue, use a little double-sided tape to put on there, and then every time you grab a new KLEENEX, it will smell like fresh lemons, and your friends and family will be saying, wow, your KLEENEXes smell amazing. What is your trick? And you will say, don't look inside my KLEENEX box. Now, if you want something else that is oddly satisfying when it comes to cleaning your sink and shining it up, and face masks, click this video on screen now, give the video a thumbs up, and sign up in the description box for your free weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you'll be the first to know. Not only soothing lotion, but smells great. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.